in action. We're back in the action, boys. My God, we did it, boys. Last video got shared, which is crazy. I told y'all, man, all y'all need to do is just thumbs up and comment down below. We freaking reversed it, that video. It didn't like get shared that much, but like enough. Just do it again, boys. Let's go for video number 2. Comment, thumbs up down below. Shout out to the dude who just spam comments. You're a gem for it. I love you, buddy. It doesn't go unnoticed. But thank you, boys. Appreciate it, man. Also the women, you know, the above 21 and older. What's up? I'm Brandon. I'm sorry that you stumbled across this video. But yeah, we love you, boys. Hit them up down below if they comment. Don't do that, actually. So you think after last video being shared, we'd come with more of a strategic video, you know, one that a lot of people would click on. Because I mean, it's no secret, this channel is mainly for the boys, you feel me? We do the guys' jewelry, all that crap. We got freaking Kendall Jenner in the thumbnail. What's going on? And in the title. This is crazy. I'm not gonna click anything about women's jewelry brand. Well, trust me, it's pretty sick, I hope. Also, I mean, it's Kendall Jenner, Kylie Jenner, man. Kendall's better in my opinion, but like, that butt, you know what I mean? Those boobs, bro. Oh my God. Brand, they're fake. A butt's a butt, boys. You'll learn it one day. Anyway, I was on online the other day. Came across this website pretty much selling some like Kylie Jenner merch, if you will. She didn't personally put it out herself, but they put out a version of her necklace that I have seen in like a couple photos of hers in the past, and I actually thought it was real dope, man. Here's a picture right here, probably in the thumbnail. Don't know, I gotta show it again, Brad, but hey, man, a little more Kylie for your life, you know? Anyway, a long time ago, I saw that picture and that chain she was rocking. I'm like, yo, that's actually super freaking dope. Like, I had that thought when I saw it the first time. Like I say, stumbled across it on one of these websites. They made a replica. I'm like, we gotta check it out. This is actually kind of crazy. It's like a chick's jewelry. A lot of the chick's jewelry is like, I feel like not a lot of guys would want to rock. Like Cardi B's. You're a guy, you don't want like a custom Cardi B fake chain around your neck. Probably, maybe you do. This one seemed real dope. We have to check it out. The quality looked fantastic. Never used that word in my life. Probably won't ever again. Without further ado, boys, let's check out first replica jewelry of the chick wearing that a chick wore. Where'd you put it? Say what up, big girl. Give me one of those. Beauty. Found it. Didn't see the room tear. Thing's a beaut. Gotta show it off every time. All right, let's go. Alright, boys, kind of stoked to get into this. I want to see how good of a job they did. Leave a comment down below. Do you think it's like actually a sick piece that she has? I personally thought so. Honestly, like, I would wear something like that for sure, I think. I'm trying to think about it. Just because it's got lips on it, it's kind of cool. Everyone's got like lip tattoos here. It makes you look, it's like a tramp stamp for guys if you got a lip tattoo there. Do what you want though, I don't care. I got Selena on the inside of my freaking mouth. I can't really judge there. Let's go! Jeez! What was it, condom material? Alright, we're gonna hide who it's from because they didn't pay us. So we're trying to make a buck, boys. I'm sorry to be a wiener about it, it's just how it is. Quick unboxing, this isn't gonna take too long. Wrong package, this is for a different video. Alright, we're good to go, got the right one. Skip the unboxing process, just did it off camera. So, here it is. This could be cool, boys. It also might get some girls to the channel. They go die hard with like the, you want girl viewers on your side. You feel me? Cause like, I feel like they fight for you. You know, like, you ever see those followers like Justin Bieber and them? Like, they will go down to their grave fighting for you. They're like little warriors, those ones, you know? It's a good thing. Anyway, damn it! They got the freaking plastic around. We say it every time, boys. Don't give me a chain with plastic around it. Guess what? The only way to get this off is if you cut it with a knife. You literally have to cut your shit. This is gonna be cool though. I don't want to really take a peek at it yet until I get this crap off it. What do you do that for? Buy our jewelry and destroy it with a knife. Here she goes. Oh, awesome. Got a nice little scratch right at the back of that. Return to sender right after this video. If the product off my website, NameBranFam.com, links down below, comes like this, tell me about it. We're gonna fix it real fast. Well, we mentioned it, NameBran Fam. If you guys haven't checked it out, we sell a bunch of jewelry on there. Not gonna lie, the quality's not too great, but it's great because you get it for a real cheap price, which is free. Almost. All I ask you guys to do is pay shipping. You can add 2 free things to your cart for the price of 1 shipping. Don't add 1 thing, add 2 things. Got it nailed down. Sick. This is just freaking, I'm about to have a fit. I'm about to have an actual fit. I somewhat feel like I should get that for free after all that. Alright, boys, here she is. Short video. Let's go. Quality, it's a little thin, not gonna lie. We're just gonna get her all set up perfectly so I can show you guys first. I haven't looked at the front. Boom! Check that out. Let's go! So this is actually the same company. We got one of my favorite pieces of, like, I guess fake jewelry we've unboxed in the past. They just do an amazing job with it. I did cut through it quite easily, I will tell you that for free. The diamonds look nice. I don't know what else to tell you guys. They sparkle nice, they shine nice. Let's look at the freaking pendant. Dang! They didn't have the drips on this. That's what they didn't do. I'm pretty sure in the picture this thing had the drips. Oh, they sketched it. Oh, I guess they can't follow it completely. Anyway, this is kind of sick, boys. Got the little clasp right there. I'll put her on the neck for a second. Oh, buddy, what a freaking beaut. I'd actually wear that. I don't know, is it just me or am I the only one that thinks this is absolutely sick? Check her out, just completely crystalled. I don't know if hers is all white gold or what her colorway is, but I just thought it was a super dope design. It's got the lips honestly bleeding. They're quite dry. You can't really call it anything else but blood. The teeth are bleeding, the gums. There's something going on there. It's not lipstick running off or anything. It's coming straight from the inner mouth. Cool piece though. Weird unboxing. I thought we'd have to add a little spice of who we got some jewelry from in this video. So there you go. Should we diamond test? Let's diamond test it. The reason we diamond test, one, it's fun. Two, if it passes, we got a great title. I thought we'd get this video to a little longer, but I guess not. There's really not much to show off. Did I show it to you guys properly? There it is. It doesn't matter. Let's diamond test. I just thought this was a cool chain. We had to unbox it. Let's talk. Let's talk. One thing, if you guys are bored, go to Amazon Prime. Watch Discovering Bigfoot. If you guys don't believe, you will believe after that. UFO documentary, Area 51, Bob Lazar, craziness, absolutely unreal. If you didn't get enough of it, then you could go check out Joe Rogan. He did like 3-hour podcasts with it. Beauty, gold, any other conspiracy documentary is great. I don't even know if you can talk about that on YouTube. All right, she's heated up. I do want to see if this passes. We'll try the big gems first, boys. This is what they call the baguette diamond. The big no. She's not going. Let's try this one. It passed! Just kidding. See, that's what people do to try to say that that's just it hitting metal. Like, you can literally hit a lighter and it'll pass if you do it that way. Yeah, it's not passing. Cool. There it is. There's the chain, boys. I wouldn't call it a half ASS video because we still got to chit chat. You know what I mean? I don't think it's what we unboxed in the video. I think it's a relationship that we have that's super lame to say. Appreciate y'all for watching. Bye. Hopefully this is 8 minutes. I'm not in it for the money, but it definitely helps with future videos. What did I do with this video? Let me know one more time down below. Is it sick or not? I think it's very dope. Okay.